Hello everyone, so let's move further in the project browser. So now in this video, we will see how you can add a new discipline layer in the project browser. So for that, I will just make right click here, click on the browser organization, right? And from here, I will just add a new, I will just click on the new, right? And create a new browser organization, right? So from here, I will just type a new organization. I will just then click on the OK. And now this if I just click on the OK once, then I will just click on the new organization, and from here I can just edit this one. I don't want to filtered by anything. I have already shown you how to filter these things. Basically this project browser. Now I'm just interested in grouping and sorting. So from here, as of now, see, this is none. I'm just not grouping and sorting it by any, right? So, and I have just you can see it is at the bottom. You can see it is sorted by view name and in ascending, right? Let me first click on the OK and apply and OK. So now you can see we have just not sorted our basically new organization with anything, right? So basically you can see we have just at the bottom I shown how it is actually it is in ascending order. So you can see here is a 3D basically numbers, then it is in increasing alphabetical order, right? E, F, R, right? So now let me click again here, click on the edit. Now click on the grouping and sorting. Now I will just uh, basically I just wanted to group and sort it with the help of discipline. So I will click on the discipline and all characters, yes, all the characters and sorted by views name in ascending. So I will just click on the OK, and from here I will click on the apply. Now just expand selected. So again you can see basically this project browser I have just organized with the help of basically discipline. So here are total two discipline, architecture one and coordination as of now. So for the architecture it is again arrange this thing in alphabetical ascending order, and for the coordination also. So what if we just wanted to further, I will just click on the edit, grouping and sorting. So if I just wanted to more basically this one is to be more grouping and sorting, then from here I will just come here and select the family and type, right? And just again in family and type, it will sort by ascending with ascending alphabetical order, right? You can just choose more things here. You can just choose anything, but I have just selected the view name. So just click on the OK, just click on the apply. So now, now if you see expand selected, so it is now properly grouped and sorted. So you can see this one is our discipline architect, and this one is our coordination discipline. So in the architect, again it is classified on the basis of families and types. See, structure, floor plan, and ceiling plan. These are the basically families, and these are below this are the types. So in the coordination, in the coordination, you can see it is classified further, right? So in this way, you can just basically add the new browser organization.